السلام علیکم اسٹوڈنٹس، ویلکم ٹو مائی چینل۔ آج کی اس ویڈیو میں ہم ریوائز کریں گے موسٹ امپورٹنٹ 100 کرنٹ افیئرس MCQs 2023 سے لے کر 2026 تک، جو کمنگ ADASF کا جو ایگزام ہے، اس کے ساتھ ہی انسپیکٹر ASF کے لیے، FIA کی تمام جابس کے لیے، اس کے ساتھ ہی اینٹی نارکوٹک فورس پنجاب ریونیو اتھارٹی میں جو انفورسمنٹ آفیسر اور آڈٹ آفیسر کی جابس ہیں، اور اس کے علاوہ 2026 میں کسی بھی جنرل نالج کے پیپر کی آپ تیاری کر رہے ہیں تو یہ کرنٹ افیئرس کے MCQs تمام جابس کے لیے امپورٹنٹ ہیں، ان کو آپ نے لازمی پڑھنا ہے۔ آپ لوگوں میں سے جن اسٹوڈنٹس کو بھی ASF یعنی کہ ADASF، انسپیکٹر ASF، اس کے علاوہ FIA کی جو ابھی ریسنٹلی جابس اناؤنس ہوئی ہیں، اسسٹنٹ سب انسپیکٹر LDC UDC، اس کے ساتھ ہی ANF اینٹی نارکوٹک فورس پنجاب ریونیو اتھارٹی میں جو انفورسمنٹ آفیسر اور آڈٹ آفیسر کی جابز آئی تھیں، ان میں سے کسی پوسٹ کے لیے بھی آپ کو سلیبس کے اکارڈنگ کمپلیٹ نوٹس چاہیے ہوں تو جو واٹس ایپ نمبر آپ کو اسکرین پر شو ہو رہا ہے اس پر کانٹیکٹ کر کے آپ سیمپل ریکویسٹ کر سکتے ہیں۔ واٹس ایپ پر ہی آپ کو سیمپل کے ساتھ ساتھ جو پیمنٹ ڈیٹیلز وغیرہ ہیں وہ پرووائڈ کر دی جائیں گی اور سیمپل دیکھ کر آپ نوٹس لے سکتے ہیں۔ سٹارٹ کرتے ہیں۔ فرسٹ MCQs ہے، دی کرنٹ سیکریٹری جنرل آف یونائٹڈ نیشنز از اینٹونیو گٹریس۔ The 16th President of Pakistan who took oath in March 2024 is Asif Ali Zardari. Winner of 2024 ICC Men's T20 World Cup was India. The host country for the 2026 FIFA World Cup will be USA, Canada and Mexico. Current Chief Justice of Pakistan Justice Yahya Afridi. 2024 Nobel Peace Prize was awarded to Nihon Hidankyo. Current Prime Minister of UK, Keir Starmer. Pakistan's first lunar mission launched in May 2024 is named iCube Qamar. The BRICS Summit 2024 was hosted by the city of Kazan in Russia. The current Director General of Airport Security Force is Shoaib bin Akram. Shoaib bin Akram. نیکسٹ ہے دی COP29 کلائمیٹ سمٹ 2024 واز ہیلڈ ان باکو ان آذربائیجان، اور COP30 جو ہے وہ کہاں پر ہوا ہے؟ بیلم، برازیل میں۔ دی کنٹری دیٹ آفیشلی جوائنڈ نیٹو ایز اٹس 32nd ممبر ان 2024 از سویڈن۔ دی کرنٹ چیف آف آرمی اسٹاف آف پاکستان جنرل عاصم منیر۔ 2024 سمر اولمپکس واز ہوسٹڈ ان پیرس، فرانس۔ Current President of UAE, United Arab Emirates, is Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan. The SCO Shanghai Cooperation Organization Council of Heads of Government meeting 2024 was hosted by Pakistan. The current Managing Director of IMF, Kristalina Georgieva. The Sikka Digital Currency Initiative was recently discussed by BRICS countries. Winner of 2023 ICC Cricket World Cup 50 overs was Australia. The current Chief Minister of Punjab, Pakistan is Maryam Nawaz Sharif. The 2025 ICC Champions Trophy host country is designated as Pakistan. The current Prime Minister of Pakistan, Shehbaz Sharif. The 2026 Winter Olympics will be held in Milan and Cortina d'Ampezzo in Italy. Current President of US, Donald Trump. The 2024 Oscars Best Picture winner was Oppenheimer. The current Secretary General of SAARC, Ghulam Sarwar. First private Pakistani satellite launched via SpaceX in 2024 is PakSat MM-1. Current DG of World Health Organization Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus. Current Foreign Minister of Pakistan Ishaq Dar. The 2024 G7 Summit was held in Apulia, Italy. The country that overtook China as the world's most populous nation in 2023 is India. Current President of Turkey, Recep Tayyip Erdogan. The Operation Swift Retort anniversary is celebrated in Pakistan on 27th of February. Current Federal Minister for Interior of Pakistan, Mohsin Naqvi. The 2024 UEFA Euro Cup winner was Spain. Current Governor of State Bank of Pakistan, Jameel Ahmed. The 2024 Nobel Prize in Literature was won by Hen Kang. The current president of Iran is Masoud Pezeshkian. The G20 summit in 2025 is scheduled to be held in South Africa. Current Secretary General of NATO Mark Rutte. Total number of seats in National Assembly of Pakistan 336. Current Chief Minister of Sindh Murad Ali Shah. 2024 Pulitzer Prize for Public Service was awarded to ProPublica. Current President of World Bank Ajay Banga. Massive earthquake that struck Turkey and Syria occurred in Feb 2023. Current Chairman of Senate of Pakistan Yusuf Raza Gilani. 2024 Asia Cup cricket format was T20. Current Chief of Air Staff of Pakistan Air Chief Marshal Zahir Ahmed Babar. The Green Pakistan initiative was launched to combat climate change. Current Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi. Next MCQs है the 2024 World Happiness Report ranked Finland as the happiest country. Current DG of ISI Lieutenant General Muhammad Asim Malik. The 2023 Ballon d'Or winner was Lionel Messi. The current Speaker of National Assembly of Pakistan Sardar Ayaz Sadiq. 2024 Henley Passport Index ranked Singapore as the strongest passport. Current Chief Minister of KPK Suhail Afridi. Sovereign Wealth Fund of Pakistan established in 2023. Current President of China Xi Jinping. The 2024 T20 World Cup Player of Tournament was Jasprit Bumrah. The current Chief Minister of Balochistan Sarfaraz Bugti. The first woman to become a general in Pakistan Army was Nigar Johar. The current Secretary General of OIC Hussain Ibrahim Taha. The 2024 Environmental Performance Index EPI is led by Estonia. Current Chief of Naval Staff of Pakistan Admiral Naveed Ashraf. The Special Investment Facilitation Council was formed in June 2023. The current President of France Emmanuel Macron. 2024 Global Firepower Index ranks Pakistan at 9th position. The current Federal Minister for Finance of Pakistan Mohammad Aurangzeb. The 2024 Wimbledon men's singles winner was Carlos Alcaraz. Current President of Russia Vladimir Putin. The Diamond Jubilee of Pakistan's independence was celebrated in 2022. Current Federal Minister for Law and Justice Azam Nazir Tarad. The 2023 Women's FIFA World Cup winner was Spain. Current President of Egypt Abdul Fattah al-Sisi. Kashmir Solidarity Day is observed every year on 5th of Feb. Current Secretary of State of USA Marco Rubio. The 2024 French Open winner was Carlos Alcaraz. Current Director General of International Atomic Energy Agency is Rafael Grossi. 2024 Pakistan Super League PSL 9 winner was Islamabad United. Current Emir of Qatar Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani. Next है the Yom Takbir is celebrated in Pakistan on 28th of May. The current Prime Minister of Japan Shigeru Ishiba. The 2023 Peace Index ranked Iceland as the most peaceful country. Current Chairman of Federal Board of Revenue Rashid Mahmood Langrial. The 2024 Australian Open winner was Jannik Sinner. Current Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia Mohammed bin Salman. Indus Water Treaty was signed in the year 1960. Current President of European Commission Ursula von der Leyen. 2024 US presidential election was scheduled for 5th of November 2024. Current Federal Minister for Information Ataullah Tarad. 2024 Global Innovation Index is topped by Switzerland. Current Prime Minister of Bangladesh Tariq Rahman as of 17th of Feb 2026. CPEC stands for China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. Current President of Indonesia Prabowo Subianto. 2024 World Press Freedom Index ranked Pakistan at 152nd. The current Federal Minister for Education Khalid Maqbool Siddiqui. The 2024 BRICS expansion included countries like Egypt, Ethiopia, Iran, and UAE. The UN Climate Change High Level Champion for COP29 was Negar Arpadari. The upcoming 2026 Asian Games will be held in Nagoya, Japan.